In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear data and formatting in a spreadsheet, making it a breeze to clean up your sheets efficiently. Whether you're working in Google Sheets or Excel, knowing how to tidy up your data is essential for effective management and organization. Let's dive in and explore some practical techniques tailored just for you. Let's start with the manual methods, which are often the fastest way to clear unwanted data. If you want to simply remove the data while keeping your formatting intact, such as borders, colors, and fonts, the delete key is your go-to tool. Just select the cell or range of cells in question and press delete if you're on a Windows or Mac system, or use backspace on Windows. This action will quickly remove the values without affecting the overall look of your spreadsheet. Alternatively, you can make use of the right-click menu. Select the cells you wish to clear, right-click on them, and choose the option to clear the cell. This method is straightforward and helps you manage specific parts of your spreadsheet with ease. Now, there might be occasions when you need to differentiate between clearing formatting and clearing data. For instance, you might want to keep the data but change the way it appears, or vice versa. This is where the extensions menu becomes useful. To remove everything from a cell, head over to Edit, then select Delete followed by Values. A quick press of the Delete key will also achieve this. If your aim is to remove only the formatting and keep the data intact, press Ctrl and the backslash key if you're on a Windows system or Command and the backslash key on a Mac. This handy shortcut will reset any colors, bolding, and borders, leaving your data clean and simple. In cases where checkboxes are being utilized and you need to clear them, simply select the checkboxes and press either space or delete. This will efficiently clear your checkbox selections with minimal effort. For those times when you want to start with a clean slate by removing everything on an entire sheet, the keyboard offers a quick solution. By pressing Ctrl and A together, doing this twice if you are currently working within a data block, you can select everything on the sheet and then hit delete. This effectively clears all the contents while maintaining the structure of the sheet. If you're aiming to remove an entire sheet completely, head to the Sheet tab at the bottom. Right-click the tab and select Delete to remove the whole tab from your workbook. If you prefer to simply wipe the contents but keep the sheet intact, you can use the same method for selection as mentioned earlier and clear the data. And that's it. By following these methods, clearing data and formatting in your spreadsheet should now be a task you can accomplish smoothly and efficiently. Remember to apply these techniques according to your specific needs, and you'll keep your spreadsheets neat and organized in no time. Thank you for joining today's session, and happy data cleaning.